Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make some light up Christmas presents or gift boxes. Well, attempt to, because this is my first time doing this. I've seen a lot of videos on TikTok as well as Pinterest of people making these and they look amazing. I've seen these created many different ways. Most people have used wooden skewers, glued them together to make the frame, wrap them in some kind of mesh-like tool, and then lit the presents up with some fairy lights. So instead of doing something that's already been done, I want to try to do it my way. That's why we're going to be making our boxes with dollar store picture frames. Now, I lucked out on getting these white frames with this really nice gold trim around it. If you can't find anything like this, you can easily spray paint your frames or use wrapping paper. Only other thing I would say is just make sure that your frames are not beveled and it has a flat edge. It's going to make it a lot easier to join these together. This should be fairly easy to put together, I'm thinking. So let's get to the art room and try to make one of these light up Christmas presents. It's looking nice. All right, so as you can see, we got the box all glued together. If you were planning on using this every holiday, I'd probably recommend something stronger like E6000. Leaving the top and the bottom open in case I wanted to put something in there, like so. Well, let's move on to the next step where we're gonna add some ribbon. So not to ring my own jingle bells, but I have to say this turned out really, really cool. I haven't seen anyone use picture frames yet to make one of these. So if you do, you know where they got it from. Just to balance it out, I probably should make another one of these, which means I'm probably gonna take another trip to the dollar store. Hopefully I can find some matching picture frames. If not, I'm sure I'll come up with something. Now you could just easily go out and buy these, but from the ones I've seen that had a bunch of funky colors going on, that really didn't jive with what I was trying to do in here. So I thought it would be cool just to make my own. Now I've used Dollar Tree picture frames before and made a light box and turned that into a Spider-Man nightlight, which would be cool for a kid's room or your man cave. So if you're interested in seeing how I did that, you can check out this video here. But if you want to see some more holiday videos, then you might want to check out my holiday playlist. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this new light up Christmas present. And if you're going to try to make one of these yourself, be sure to tag me on Instagram and all my other socials flashing here across the screen. Well guys, I got to get back to fixing this place up. There's a few more projects and videos I want to finish before Christmas gets here. I really hope I see you guys on the next video, but if not, happy holidays.